Hey, this is Clint from CT Mad Mods, and I know I haven't been posting in a while, but we're living through Snowpocalypse 2023 in Anchorage, Alaska right now. I'm about to dig out my Samurai. See it back there? Let's get it. As you can see, it's buried in the backyard. So let's get that sucker out of here. First, we gotta dig that fence out. I've been keeping it up on top of this, and it's been pretty hard, but let's get it. All right, we got that open. Woo, wind's picking up. All right, I haven't touched this thing. It's mid-December. I haven't touched it since probably mid-November, before Thanksgiving. So it's got a couple of feet of snow on it. I have dug it out a couple of times, but I don't want to stay open. Looks like my dog's been using the bathroom underneath it. Let's get this thing dug out of here. Whew. All right, let's see what we got here. Well, there's a Samurai under there. There's a Samurai inside there. Cool. See if she'll start up. Of course, I got some help. All right. Like I said, I haven't started this thing since, I don't know, before Thanksgiving. Key is on. Up. Make sure she's out of gear. Whoa, yes sir. Cold start 2023. What you think about it, man? What you think about it? Whew. Yep. All right. Try to get all the snow off of this thing. Well, I don't know what happened, but apparently I got a flat. I don't know how, what in the world. I got a solution for that though. All right, I need some air in this tire. So I got an air kit here. Got an ARB air compressor and an air hose. I'm gonna hook this sucker up And we're gonna put some air in this doggone tire. All right, got my air hose hooked up. Let's put some air in this tire. I don't know why it's flat. It's never gone flat before. Maybe it's just the change in temperature and low pressure, I don't know. But let's put some air in this sucker. Drag this hose out, get it untangled. This air hose does not want to work with me in this cold. All right, she's putting air in her. It's coming on up. Man, sucker was out of air. I usually keep about 10 pounds in these suckers. Let me see what it is. It's not even showing up. Put a little more in there. If it can go wrong, it will go wrong. Goodness. Well, it didn't come off the bead, so I don't think I got to put a whole lot of air in there. All right. I think I'm just going to leave this thing plugged in, but I'm going to turn it off and just push this hose behind the seat here. Woo! It's warming up in here. All right, we got air in that tire now. I don't know why that was flat. That was weird. All right. I'm going to go pull over to the snow hill over here and knock all this snow off out of my yard. Cool. Let's get the snow off. What you doing, ma'am?
You don't go up there.
All right, good night. Eat. Let's see some lights. Turn that on, turn that on, turn that on. Yo, what you think, Miss Amber? What you think, Miss Amber? Huh, ma'am? Woo. she ready to go. I don't know what was going on with that tire while it was completely flat, but it's probably just already low on pressure. And, you know, it got pretty cold. It got down in the zeros. And I assume that's what happened. Just never inflated back up. Lost all its air. But we got that onboard air, that ARB. That's the way. Now I'm gonna kind of clean up this yard a little bit. That sidekick right there needs a heater core, so I ain't gonna be driving it this winter. But I think I'm just gonna park my Samurai right here. My son's back home. He'll park about where the Samurai is, and we got very limited parking space in this place, but probably gonna start driving this thing again. There's a few things that I need to do to it. I need to replace all of the bushings in the suspension. They're all clapped out. What y'all doing? Where's your boyfriend at? Where you at, dude? Let's go inside. Ronan. What you doing way down there, dude? Man, you're gonna catch a trouble. Come on, let's go inside. Come on, y'all go inside. Come on, ma'am. Let's go inside, come on. Woo! All right, got that heater going. The brake is on. Every light in the world is on. Let's take a little ride around the neighborhood. We are locked in full drive. Uh-oh. Suzuki problems. What? What? My gauge lights came on for the first time in years. I've seen it do it one other time. I went on a ride with Timmy. We went out to Connect Glacier, and on the way back, all of a sudden they came on. I think there's a wire in there that's probably a ground, something like that. All right, let's drive around the neighborhood a little bit. Woo! All right, I got lockers in the front and the rear, and this thing wants to switch ends like right now. She still drives good. You know, come to think of it, I think the other day I had aired my tires down driving around town because it had snowed like a foot back in like November. And I didn't lose a bead or anything, but I bet you it was just really low in air pressure, and then you know, it was warmer then, and then it got really, really cold, and so it just air seeped out of the tire. But thank the good Lord that I've got an ARB air compressor. Oh yeah, she's driving good. I can probably drive it to work. I've just been holding off because I got lockers, and man, it tries to switch ends. Here's what I like to do whenever I dig out that little spot to park in. I put it in low gear, and I drive back and forth over it, and I pack it down. That's the way right there. The low pressure in the tires, it just kind of makes like a big flat spot, mashes down that snow, packs it in. And tomorrow it'd be hard as concrete, just like a driveway. Really close to my truck, but it's okay. Just packing it in. Still haven't fixed that windshield wiper from hunting season. Woo, that's bright. Check out my little lights. That thing's worked pretty good. All right, I think this is where we're gonna park it. We're gonna take it out of 4 low and start turning off all these lights. You can see how that packed that all in. It'll be just like concrete driveway tomorrow. Anyways, I just want to make that short video, a little cold start. It's about 15 degrees out here, and it's been real cold. It's been in the teens the last couple of weeks, and it's snowing a lot. It keeps snowing, won't stop snowing. I got a 6-foot berm in my backyard, and it's hard getting it off of this driveway. But I'm gonna clean this backyard up a little bit, make it a little bit more presentable, and then I'm gonna go in the house and enjoy our new Christmas tree and hanging out with my wife and maybe watching some videos. But really appreciate everybody who's subscribed to the channel and likes my content. If you watched it to the end of this video, thanks for watching my video. See y'all next week.